Parallel plate capacitor. Hi. In this video, we will see what a parallel plate capacitor is. But before we dive in, let's try to understand this with a simple example. Imagine a sandwich. Now think of the two pieces of bread as two metal plates. And the ingredients between them are some medium. This is exactly what a parallel plate capacitor looks like. As the name suggests, parallel plate capacitors consist of two plates parallelly kept to each other. One of the plates is positively charged, and the other one is negatively charged. And the distance between the plates must be very small. So small, that when compared to the area of the plates, the area of the plates seems to be infinitely large. And the area of the two plates, which can be of any dimension, must be equal. When all these conditions are met, then a parallel plate capacitor is formed. Parallel plate capacitors are extremely efficient when compared to spherical shaped capacitors, because all the electric field lines are in between the plates, unlike scattered in spherical shaped capacitors. And more capacitance can be achieved, even with a small size parallel plate capacitor. In the next video, we will find out the capacitance of parallel plate capacitors. Remember the example of the sandwich to memorize the concept of the capacitor. This is it for today's video. Let us know in the comments section which topic you want to see next. Before leaving, check the exclusive offers, link in the description below. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To find out more on the subject, continue watching the next video.